students, hope you all are well at your home. Today I am going to discuss class 8 7th chapter networks. First we will discuss what is a network. So a network, a computer network is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other to share information and resources. If multiple computers will connect with each other for the purpose of sharing information and resources, that is called network. An excellent example of network is the internet. Full form of internet is an international network which connect millions of the people all over the world. So either it is a wired or wireless. If multiple computers are connected with each other for sharing the information, that is just because of network. So one of the best example is the internet. Doesn't matter how far people from us, we can easily connect with them with the help of internet via video call, audio call, and sending a message. So one of the best example is internet. Another example like ATM, bank are connected with each other. So it is just because of network. The computer on a network may be linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, and satellites. So there are the various types network can be connected with each other, like cables, telephone lines, radio waves, and satellites. In order to communicate, there must be a sender and a receiver. A medium is also required to establish connection amongst the sender and receiver. These three are basic components required for any types of computer. So if we want to share anything, then we need three components. First is sender, a device through which a message is sending. Second is receiver, a device which will receive the message. And medium, transmission medium we need for sending a message. It is the physical part where message transfer. So three components. First is sender, receiver, and transmission medium we need for the communication. Basic requirements for a network. So which type of requirements, a hardware or software requirement we need for the establishment of network? First is computer. At least 2 computers necessary to make a network. Next is modem. Modem stands for modulator and demodulator. Modem are used for data transfer, data from one computer network to another computer through telephones line. So modem is a device, a hardware device which is need for transferring a data from one computer to second computer network. Switches. Switches contain many ports to connect different network segments. They are similar to hubs but offer greater performance. First we will discuss hubs, then we will discuss switches. When you connect multiple computers on a network, they all plug into a central device called a hub. The hub has the job of moving the network signal from one wire to another. So when we have to connect the multiple computer through wire, then one hub we will fix. These hub will these hub connect all the computer with each other and it makes the central device. So hub will flow all the data from one computer to another computer and the data will be easily accessible by all the computers. So it is called a central device. Then switches. Switches contain many ports to connect different network segments. So as you can see there are many different devices which connect, which all the devices are connected by the switches. They are similar to hubs but offer greater performance. Nowadays in the place of hub, switches are used because performance of switches is greater than hub. So it is hub and switches are used to connect multiple computers with each other and it perform as a central coordination. Router. A router is a communication device that is used to connect two different networks such as two LANs or WAN. It plays a vital role in controlling the traffic and keeping the network efficient. LAN means local area network. So it will connect two local area network to each other wirelessly. So when we have to make a communication between two LAN and two WAN, then time we establish the router and it control the traffic and keeping the network efficient. Network cables. Networking cables are networking hardware used to connect one network device to other network devices or to connect two or more computers to share printer, scanner, etc. Different types of network cables such as coaxial, optical and twisted pair cables are used to depending on the network. As you can see in the image, these cables are used for connecting all the devices with each other. If you want to connect printer, scanner, mouse, keyboard, all is possible to with the help of wire. So different type of wire we use, like coaxial cable, optical fiber for connecting the devices, and it's all depends on the physical layer, topology and size of the network. Network card. Network card is a necessary components of the computer without which a computer cannot be connected over a network. It is also called network adapter or network interface card. Most branded computers have network card pre-installed. Network cards are two types, internal and external. So for connecting this wire, we need a network card, so through which we can connect the different type of devices to each other. So there's a two type of network card, internal or external. Internal network card, motherboard has the slot for an internal network card where it is to be inserted. So internal network card are placed on the motherboard where the external devices can be inserted. External network card. External network cards come in two models, wireless and USB based. Wireless network are need to be inserted into the motherboard, but no network cable is required to connect network. So these type of wireless network are used when we have to connect the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So this will be because of this network card we are able to connect Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And the second one is USB based, so through which we can insert pen drive and USB cable. Universal serial bus. USB cards are easy to use and connect via USB port. Computers automatically detect USB card and can install the driver required to support the USB network card automatically. So we all have for transferring data from one computer to another computer, we use USB card, universal serial bus. So it is used for transferring a data from one computer to another computer. Hope all the topics are clear. Now just read your book, and any doubt ask in a comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.